As we've reported, the FDA is clearing the way for younger teens to get the COVID vaccine. Just yesterday, Pfizer's vaccine was authorized for children between the ages of 12 and 15. Dr. Benjamin Estrada with USA Health is joining us now to talk about this new development. Dr. Estrada, thank you for stopping by.
Thank you.
First off, how big of a deal is this in terms of reopening things?
I think it's a very important step towards normalcy. For teenagers 12 and older, the vaccine has gained what we call an EUA by the FDA, which is an emergency use authorization. That means that pretty soon teenagers 12 and older will be able to get vaccinated.
Right, so a study is what led to this approval. Can you talk about the safety of shots in younger children?
Yes, the study followed the different studies that we had for adults that allowed us to start administering the vaccine to adults earlier this year. This pediatric study, including children 12 to 18, showed the vaccine is extremely safe in children. There are no significant side effects other than the ones that we have seen in some adults, like discomfort in the site of injection, low fever, and some headache and other minor symptoms that tend to resolve within 24 to 48 hours. So very safe vaccine, extremely good safety data to go along with.
So if younger children aren't really getting COVID-19, why get them vaccinated?
Actually, young children get COVID-19, and although the severity may not be as significant in children as in older adults, we see children being hospitalized with COVID-19 or unfortunately children dying with COVID-19. The numbers are lower than in adults, but there are children who get really sick. There is a condition that we call MIS-C, which is a particular situation that we are seeing in children who get COVID. Some of them can develop what we call multi-system inflammatory syndrome that can affect their heart, brain, GI tract, and the few children that get this syndrome have a very difficult time returning to normal activities, including sports.
When do you expect the vaccine to be available? The CDC is meeting about this tomorrow. Could it be Thursday when they're getting the shots?
We hope that this will happen very soon after the CDC meets tomorrow. The Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices will define specific recommendations for providers about how to deliver this vaccine to children. So I will anticipate sometime within the next week or so we'll be able to start vaccinating children.
Wow. All right. Well, Dr. Estrada, thank you so much. A lot of information there.
My pleasure.